In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage email campaigns in HubSpot CRM. We'll start right from the HubSpot home screen. Make sure you're signed into your account and that your user has permission to work with marketing emails. From the home area, head into the CRM section. This is your central workspace for contacts, companies, and the tools that help you engage them. Inside CRM, open the email area. This is where you'll build, send, and review the performance of your marketing emails. You'll see two main things here: an option to create a new message, and a dashboard that summarizes how your existing campaigns are doing. If you're ready to build something new, choose Create Email. Think of this as your creative canvas. As you draft, aim for a clear and concise subject line that sets the right expectation. Use personalization thoughtfully to make messages feel relevant without sounding forced. Keep your content scannable with short paragraphs, compelling copy, and a single primary call to action so readers know exactly what to do next. It's a good idea to preview your message on desktop and mobile to confirm spacing, images, and buttons look great everywhere. Before you send, proofread carefully and consider a quick test send to yourself or a colleague to catch anything you might have missed. Back on the email dashboard, you can manage your campaigns and track results over time. You'll see how many emails were delivered, along with your open rate and click rate. Delivered tells you how many messages reached inboxes successfully. If that number seems lower than expected, it can point to list quality or authentication settings that need attention. Open rate reflects how compelling your subject line and sender name are, and whether your audience finds the topic relevant. Click rate shows how many people engage with your content by selecting a link or button. This is a strong indicator of whether your message and call to action are landing. Use these metrics together to guide your next move. For example, if opens are healthy, but clicks lag, refine your call to action, or simplify your layout so the main button is impossible to miss. If opens are low, consider testing a more specific subject line and making sure your preview text supports it. Over time, look for patterns by audience, send time, and content theme so you can double down on what works. That's the core flow. From HubSpot Home, open CRM, go to email, create when you're ready, and rely on the dashboard to manage performance and improve with each send.